Welcome back to Explore Error. Why is your PC running slow? There can be many reasons, but the main ones are the CPU and the RAM. If your system is freezing or running slowly, it could be because the RAM cache is full or the RAM is running out of memory. There can be several reasons for this. So in this tutorial, I will show you one trick that can help clear the RAM cache and make your PC run faster. First, we will check how much RAM is being used. Right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. You can also search for Task Manager in the search bar and open it from there. After opening it, go to the Performance tab and then click on Memory. Here you will be able to see how much RAM is being used. For example, I can see the available memory is 6.9 gigabytes and the cache is about 4.5 gigabytes. You can also see hardware reserved memory, how many slots are being used, the RAM speed, and other details. In this case, the system has 16 gigabytes of RAM, and around 55% of it is currently being used. Now, I will show you a tool that can help clear the RAM cache. It is an app available from Microsoft called RAMMap. It is available on the Microsoft Learn website, so we will open the page and download it. The file size is about 700 kilobytes, which is not even 1 megabyte. After downloading it, open the file. You can also go to your Downloads folder, right-click on the file, and click Extract All. After extracting, open the folder and find the file with the larger size, around 713 kilobytes. Then, double-click on rammap.exe and click Yes when prompted. The program will scan your computer and show how much RAM is being used. At the same time, I will open Task Manager and keep it minimized so we can compare and see how the cache changes in real time. Right now, I can see the cache is about 7.4 gigabytes, and this is what we want to clear. To clear the RAM cache, go to the top menu, click on Empty, and then click Empty Standby List. As soon as I click it, you will notice that the cache drops to a much lower number. It may increase again later as the system runs, but for now it has cleared about 7 gigabytes of cache on my PC. This can really help improve system performance. Let me know in the comments if this tutorial was helpful. And if it helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video.